Ladies and gentlemen, in this Grade 6 World Conference, we would like to the article exploring the Reporters Sans Frontières platform, the use of qualitative methodology in the study of alternative journalism in the digital era. This article was sponsored by SICANT, Center of Research in Applied Communication, Culture and New Technologies, by Ludomedia University of Porto in Portugal, which we thank for it. Alternative journalism is usually associated with political involvement or activism, also addresses other themes such as minorities, ethnic groups, culture and social actions. Several examples of journalists working professionally in the political and investigative aspect of this type of journalism, such as Reporters Sans Frontières organization, as we focus here. Technology innovation since the expansion of Internet 2.0 and creation of social networks has been a fertile field to expansion of alternative journalism, and this is an exploratory studies regarding the contents of alternative journalism in the online platforms. We aim of this study to understand the main themes addressed by alternative journalism organizations in the digital arena and learn more about the Reporters Sans Frontières digital presence. The work is anchored in qualitative methodology, in particular in content analysis. Data was retrieved from the corpus latente. After listing the platforms with more visibility, we have created categories to understand the type that each platform is associated to, with politics, culture, and arts and others. We have also listed the headlines of all RSF news in French, English, Portuguese, and Spanish languages between January and April 2019. We were able to conclude that alternative journalism is generally developed in a professional manner. And by performing qualitative analysis technique, we conclude that the content majority is of political nature. As indexed, these 6 items are presented to, and as final considerations, this study allows us to verify that alternative journalism is very active. It has a larger presence in the so-called digital world. The use of technologies allows them to create greater visibility and impact. We are able to demonstrate that there are large organizations dedicated to alternative journalism. These organizations are supported by a large number of donors, and interestingly, in the case of RSF, by public funding. And the work of these organizations, in particular, that on the RSF is internationally recognized through several awards. In terms of digital technology, it was concluded within the scope of alternative journalism, the RSF platform constitutes a modality integration of a potential disruptive innovation technology. It is also important to highlight that the continued existence of some forms of alternative journalism and expansion of social spaces for dialogue and participation remain essential for the healthy functioning of the society. And regarding the option for qualitative methodology, content analysis allow us to achieve the main objectives of this study. In terms of content, after quantification, it was concluded that it is markedly political, both in alternative journalism digital webpage as well as in the RSF platform. Thank you for listening. I hope it's clear for every one of you. Thank you.